students, how are you? Yes, this is Ram sir with you. Today we will discuss the name of 12 months. 12 months of the year. Let's start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. What are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Let's sing a song. 30 days has September, April, June and November. February has 28 alone. All the rest have 31, excepting leap year. That's the time when February's days are 29. Once again, 30 days has September, April, June and November. February has 28 alone. All the rest have 31, excepting leap year. That's the time when February days are 29. কেমন লাগলো? Let's start 6 seasons. What are they? Yes, they are summer, monsoon, autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. What are they? Summer, monsoon, autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. Now, if we compare the seasons with Bengali seasons, then it will be Grishokal, summer, Borshakal, monsoon, Sharot, autumn, Hemonto, late autumn, Shit, winter, Boshanto, spring. In a picture, let's see. Yes, this is summer, monsoon, autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. Yes, now see the differences. In summer, what do we see? Yes, it's hot, scorching heat. Yes, the sun gives scorching heat. Cloud, yes, it's dark sky sometimes. We see black clouds above our heads. Yes, April, May and June. These 3 months belong to the summer season. Yes, we cannot go out without an umbrella. Yes, we need ceiling fan. Sometimes we need AC also. We eat ice creams. We take bath in the river, pond, seas. That means we need frequent bath. Yes. One great festival we celebrate in this time. That's Robindra Jayanti. It's Pochishe Boishakh. Yes, very interesting. Then the second season is rainy season. It's also called monsoon. That means it's Borshakal. July and August, these 2 months make rainy season. What happens in this season? Yes, heavy rain. Sometimes thunder, storm. Yes, jhod, brishti, shab. We need to carry umbrella every time in this season. Yes. And students like you, children like you, wants to play in this rain. Yes, sometimes we make paper boats and play with them in the water. Yes, sometimes we also fall down. Yes, due to slashy road, muddy road. Yes, sometimes we use umbrella also, and while we come back from the school, we enjoy rain. Yes, let's see the picture. Yes, and sometimes the working people, those who need to go outside, they feel very difficult. See in the picture, and big festival of this season is Rath Jatra. We celebrate Rath Jatra in this season. Yes. In rainy season, we plant trees also for making our environment green. Yes. After the monsoon, we have autumn. Yes, after the rainy season, the sky is very happy. We see white clouds. Nature is very happy. তাই না? আমরা মাঠে মাঠে কাশফুল দেখি, সকালবেলায় শিউলি ফুলের গন্ধ পাই, শিউলি ফুল ফোটে। And the great festival of autumn is Durga Puja. Yes, the great festival of Bengalis also. Yes, after that comes late autumn. Late autumn consists of November. Yes, and people, those who are engaged with cultivation, they harvest their plant. They harvest their crop and take it to the home. Yes, let's find in the picture. After that, the great season winter, December and January. These 2 months consist winter. Yes, December or January to শীতকাল, তাই না? Lots of amusement we find in this season. Yes, it's difficult for the poor people, those who don't have proper clothing, warm clothes. They find it difficult. But we used to have picnics. Yes, nice flower bloom in this season. আমরা কখনো কখনো পাহাড়ে বেড়াতেও যাই. We used to visit hill station also. See, খেজুরের রস, পিঠে পুলি, কত কিছু. মকর সংক্রান্তি is the great festival of this time. And Santa Claus, yes, Santa Claus come in this time. Yes, Christmas we celebrate. Yes, and the last season is spring. It's very interesting. Yes, we listen to the music of Kakku. কোকিলের গান শুনতে পাই. Holi is celebrated in this time. Yes, definitely. And that's the seasons. 6 seasons we have studied. What are they? The first one is summer, second is rainy or monsoon, third is autumn, fourth is late autumn or dewy, fifth is winter, and the sixth is spring. So how did you enjoy? কেমন লাগলো তোমাদের? তোমরা অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করে আমাকে জানাবে, এবং আমরা পরের ভিডিওতে আবার আসছি, আবার দেখা হবে। সবাই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নিও, আমাদের সব ভিডিও তাহলে তোমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি পেয়ে যাবে। টাটা।